If you're going to be sharing your life with someone, you cannot avoid talking about money.
With an open and honest approach and two-way communication, money talk can actually draw you closer as a couple.
Which is why we recommend the budget date. Just because you'll be talking about your budget doesn't mean it has to be boring. Go someplace different, order takeout, pour a glass of wine, or play a game. Whatever will help make it something special. This is sacred time and investment in your future.
First, you want to connect. You need to sit down and talk through what's most important to you as a couple. The big stuff. Don't make assumptions. Don't be defensive. Just have an honest conversation about what you want.
Do you want to own a house or move to a different neighborhood or city? Do you want to have kids? How many? What about childcare? Is travel a priority, or would you rather finally remodel that bathroom? Maybe you have student debt. How do you want to create your debt paydown plan?
Talk about it all. Figure out where you're on the same page and where you need to dig a little deeper.
Then you'll need to understand each other better. It's important to articulate and determine the goals you have together as a couple, but you'll also have individual priorities. Allowing for some freedom makes budgeting sustainable for the long term. Make it a point to always put money aside that you and your partner can spend on your own priorities without judgment, guilt, or sarcastic commentary of any kind.
You'll be dreaming together, talking about money, and both invested in decision making. You're on the same page. But to maintain this awesomeness, you'll need to check in on your budget.
Now it's time to regroup around your priorities. Let's evaluate where you stand, what is changing, and where you're going.
What surprised you this month? Are there things you should consider moving forward? Do you need to add or adjust any categories to be better prepared for next month or next year? What do you have coming up next month? Any events or expenses you need to prepare for? Are you both on track for your long-term goals? If not, why is that? Is it not as important as you thought it would be? Do you need to cut back somewhere else? Should you adjust the goal to make it more realistic?
And finally, get ahead financially together. Remember, this isn't about paying your electric bill, although it will ensure that happens on time. This is your hopes and dreams. This is building the life you want. This is staying on the path toward achieving big goals. This is fun stuff that is much more likely to come true if you are intentional.
So schedule a monthly budget date that you'll never miss. It's a win for your relationship
And your bank account.